Hey, what's up guys, this is ABD from SharkTweets. As Apple has released iOS 15.1 Developer Beta 1 today for registered developers. Also expect public beta within 24 to 48 hours. The size of the software is around 5.82 gigabytes in my iPhone 11. And here we don't have any notes, it just says that iOS 15.1 contains bugs, fixes and improvement. And if you go into settings, then general, about, here you can see the bin number has been updated, which is 19B5042H, and also modern firmware is also updated. So if you are facing any connectivity issue before, that would be resolved now. So now let's take a look at some new features in iOS 15.1 beta. Let's start with that new feature that now iPhone users can upload their COVID-19 vaccination status to the health app and then generate a vaccination card in Apple Wallet. You can show this to any mall, venues, restaurants. And another feature that they have enabled is the SharePlay in FaceTime. SharePlay was delayed from the initial release of iOS 15, and here it has been re-enabled on iOS 15.1 developer beta, which is awesome, and now you can start using it within FaceTime once again. And also there is an icon update, as you can see here that we have a new icon for announce calls. So if we take a look over here, this is the previous version of iOS 15. The announce call notification is slightly tweaked on this latest beta. So these are some changes spotted in iOS 15.1 beta so far. So stay tuned for my follow-up video. Go ahead, leave a like and don't forget to subscribe for more such videos. Now I will see you on the next one. Peace.